Okay, welcome once again. This is part 2 of this series, how to sell massively anything online. If you have not watched the first part, I want you to please watch it. I'm going to put it somewhere around this video, so please ensure that you go and watch it. It's very detailed on how you can select a niche of where you want to sell, or select a product you are going to sell online and sell massively. Once again, thank you for subscribing to this channel, and if you have not subscribed, please just make sure you subscribe right now and give this video a thumb up so that YouTube can show this video to 1 or 2 other people who will get value from this video. So you are welcome to my channel again, and we are talking about how you can sell anything massively online. You can sell anything massively online. I have experienced it, and I want to tell as many people as possible, because we all just need financial upgrade. Let me call it upgrade. We all need financial upgrade in one way or the other, just to help ourselves. So now I mentioned in the other video how you can sell, and then how you can pick products. You can pick products from 4 parts. You can pick products from wealth niche. You can pick products from relationship niche. You can pick products from health and beauty. Then you can pick products from relocation or travel niche. These 4 niches, any product you pick from them, they are hot products because people are willing to pay for these products. Don't forget that I told you, before you can choose any product, make sure that it's a product that people are willing to buy. Not just any product. You must choose a product that people are willing to buy. So if you have chosen which of those products niches you want to sell, then let's dive deep into what we have today. Now, I will talk more of digital products today. Now, what exactly are digital products? Yeah, I know you have been hearing of digital products. You may not actually know exactly what it means. Let me just explain to you what it is. Digital products are value-based products created on the internet and packaged in form of videos, PDFs, ebooks, courses, etc. Products that are created on the internet and packaged in form of videos, in form of ebooks, in form of PDFs, so this is what you call digital product. Like I said before, you can see it, but you can't actually feel it, you can't touch it. The good thing about digital products is you can actually create one for yourself. You can create a video for yourself and sell it. You can create a course for yourself and sell it. You can create an ebook for yourself and sell it. These are ways you can make money, and you make money massively. I tell you, just an ebook of between 10 to 15 pages, because you don't actually, what make people to feel that, oh, writing a book is so much, is because when you see some books, there are 200 pages, 300 pages, 400 pages, 500 pages, and you are like, how on earth will I sit down and be writing a book of 300 pages? I don't have that time, But I tell you, books that are smaller in quantity is what even sells most. Because these days, people are not even ready to read too much of stories. They are not ready for it. Straight to the point of what they want, they are good to go. So, book of 10 pages, 15 pages, 20 pages can sell and make you millions of money. These are secrets so many people do not actually know. You don't need to write a book that is up to 100 pages or 200 pages before it can sell. No. So, I've said you can create a digital product for yourself and sell it. At the same time, you can sell the one somebody else has already created and sell it on his behalf, and then get a commission for selling for him. That is what we call affiliate marketing. When you are able to sell a digital product of somebody else's created product, and then you receive a commission for selling that product. That is what we call affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to explain it very well for you, because I know some of us have heard of affiliate marketing, but we may not be able to, or we have even been started doing it in one way or the other, or you've not even heard about it before. Whichever way, you are going to gain value. Now, affiliate marketing, like we know it, affiliate marketing is a kind of business model that somebody sells another person's product in return for a commission, in return for a reward, which is a commission. And the commission varies. You can have 20% commission, you can have 30% commission, you can have 40, 50, 60, depending on the product and depending on what the creator wants to pay the affiliate. So if you sell affiliate products, that is part of a digital product, and you make serious money from these from affiliates. Now, one good thing that I know that affiliate marketing does, that makes it so outstanding, because I always tell people, if you want to start any business online, affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start. It's the easiest way to make money online, because number one, you don't need a shop, you don't need to rent an office, you don't need to buy table, you don't need to pay for electricity, you don't need all of those things. Like you want to rent a shop, you want to start a business, all of those things that you don't need it in affiliate marketing. Number two, you don't need to create a product, because you are not creating the digital product yourself. Somebody has already created it in form of a course, in form of a video, in form of an ebook. You are just helping the person to sell, and you make your money. You are only recommending that product to somebody who needs it, and then once they are able to buy it, then you get your commission from it. That's number two thing that make affiliate marketing so easy and easy to make money. The number three is that you don't actually need to hire anybody. You don't need to hire anybody. You're not going to engage somebody who is going to do the job for you. Just with your phone, you can make your money from affiliate marketing, selling somebody else's digital product, and you sell it massively. So affiliate marketing is one easy way you can make millions. I'm telling you, millions. We have had, teenagers, young people, old people. It doesn't matter which age. There's no age in it at all. So don't see yourself, oh, I'm too young to do affiliate marketing. No. Don't see yourself, I'm too old to do affiliate marketing. No. All of these things, you can do them no matter the age. At the comfort of your home, you stay in your house just with your phone, you can do affiliate marketing and earn massively from it. I tell you, if you are a mother with little children and you just need more time for your little babies at home, affiliate marketing is the best. Selling digital product is the best way to stay at home, work from home, and then you make your money. Or you are somebody who you are doing 9-to-5 job, and you are just tired of the hustle, you are just tired of the stress of running, every day, working 9 to 10 hours every day with no reasonable reward coming from it. If you are such, then affiliate marketing is the best way to start. I tell you, it's one of the easiest things you can do online and make your money massively. The next video I'm going to create, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said before, don't forget to also smash the button, give it a thumb up so that somebody else can also benefit from this video. The next I'm going to create is, I'll go much more detail in affiliate marketing, and I'll tell you the kind of products you can pick on affiliate marketing, and also what are the steps you need to take if you want to make money massively from affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, and then I'm going to leave a link below this video. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, just send me a chat with the link. I'm going to respond to you, and I'll tell you what you need to do if you really want to start affiliate marketing.